Good evening, friends. My name is Rajkumar Bhosle. Today date is 18 August 2021. Today's video topic is array. Array is, let's talk about. Let's see what is the meaning by array. Array is normally array is a collection of similar type of elements which has continuous memory allocation. Java array is an object which contains the similar data type. Additionally, elements of array are stored in a continuous memory allocation. It is a data structure where we store the similar elements. We can store only the specific set of the elements in a Java array. Array in Java is index based. If the first element of the array is stored in the 0th index, and the second element of the array is stored in the first index, and so on. The length of the array, the size of the array is we can in C++ we get the length of the array using the length. Unlike the C++, we can get the length of the array by using the length member, and we don't need to we don't need the size of operator. Then in Java array is an object of a dynamically generated class. Java array inherits the object class and implements the serializable and clonable interface. We can store the primitive values or object in an array. Like C++, C or C++, we can also create a single dimensional or multi-dimensional array in Java. Moreover, Java provides the feature of the anonymous array, which is not available in the C++. Let's see some advantages of the array. Code optimization. The code is it makes the code optimizer. We can retrieve or sort data efficiently. Then the second advantage is the random access. We can get any data located at the index position. Let's see the disadvantages of the array. Sizing is the main disadvantage of the array. We can store only fix the size of the element in the array. It does not close the size at the runtime. To solve this problem, collection framework is used automatically. The size is fixed in the array. In the let's take an example. When we create an variable and size of 100, then the element is a figure. Total number of elements are 50. Then the wastage of memory is the second disadvantage of the array. Then the types of array in Java, there are two types of array: single dimensional array. In single dimensional array, we can store the only single dimensional array and the second type is the multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array there are two 3D array. Single dimensional array syntax is a data type array. Then we can pass the array to the method. We can return the array by the method. In Java, we can give either the copy of array. We can copy the array and we can clone the array. When we clone the array of the single dimensional array, it will the zip copy of the values. Zip copy means actual value. When we clone the multi-dimensional array, it gives the shallow copy of the array. It means shallow copy which is give the copy of the references. For each loop of the Java array. We can also print the Java array by using the for each loop. The Java array for each loop prints the array elements one by one. It holds an array element in a variable that is with the body loop. In Java support the anonymous array. Then let's see the an array is some important points about the array. In Java, all array are dynamically located. Since the array are objects in Java, we can't find the length using the object property length. This is a difference from the C and C++, where we find the length of using the size of. Java array variable can also be declared like other variables with a subscript or array symbol after that the type. The variables in the Java array are ordered and each have an index beginning from 0. The array can also be used to a static field, local variable or method parameters. The size of An array must be specified at the time of the creation. And then after creation of the array, we cannot change the array size. The direct superclass of an array type is object. Every array type implements the interface that is clonable and serializable. Array can contain primitive data types like int, char, as well as an object that is non-primitive references. Reference of the class depending upon the definition of the array. In case of primitive data types, the actual value of are stored in the continuous memory allocation. In case of object of the class, the actual object are stored in the each segment. And then an array is declaration has the two components, the type and the name. The type declares the element of type of the array, and the element the type determines the data type of each element that comprises the array. Like an array of an integers, we can also create another other primitive type like types like character, float, double, etc. or users define the data type. Let's take an example of the array. If you want to hold the 50 integers values, then you can create an array that can hold the 50 values of integer type. Instead of declaring individual variables such as a1, a2, a3 or and a49, you declare one array variable that holds the all 50 values. You can access the values of an array by using the a of 0, a of 1 and so on to a of 49. Then let's take a real life example of the array. Let's say you don't want to store ID to and 10 students. Then you can declare an array that can hold in data type values. You don't need to declare the 10 individual variable type of int type. And the important points of the about the Java array can hold the value of the same data type. An array can stored in continuous memory allocation. Like other classes, the array also extends the superclass object. Then there are two types of the array. So first is the one-dimensional array. One-dimensional array is always used with only one subscript. One-dimensional array behaves like list of the variables. We can access the variable an array by using the index. In clear brackets proceeded by the name of that array. Index value should be an integer for the integer array. Then the second type is a multi-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array, 2D array, also called a 2D array, is the simplest form of the multi-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array is the array of the arrays because they store the tabular form as like a single-dimensional array. We must declare two-dimensional array variables. We must specify the array name followed by the two square brackets followed as a subscript of array. Then the two-dimensional array is stored in the tabular form of the row and column matrix. The two-dimensional array uses the two subscripts where the first index behaves like the row and second index like the column. The size of the matrix depends upon the size of the subscript.